Or when we say total cost, that is equal to total variable cost plus total fixed cost. So if total cost is given, to find for total fixed cost, we have total cost minus total variable costs. So ang atong total variable cost is derived by subtracting total cost minus total fixed costs. Now, in our illustration, you can see here that our total fixed cost is the horizontal straight line. So that means if this is 100, given the total fixed cost is equal to 100, therefore, regardless with the level of output, our total fixed cost is still 100. That's why it is a horizontal straight line. But our total variable cost is going up. And it started from 0. Why? Why is it that our total variable cost starts from 0? Anybody? Why is it that our total variable cost started from 0? Because, okay, if there is no production, our total variable cost is equal to 0. Unlike in our total fixed cost, wherein even if production is 0, still you have 100 as your cost, total fixed cost. But our total variable cost, if our production is 0, therefore we don't have our variable costs. Then we have our total cost, which is a summation of our total variable cost and our total fixed cost. So it is above sa atuon nga total variable cost because part ani is our total fixed costs. So the behavior of total variable cost and total cost are going up. So as you continue producing more output, that means your cost will increase because of our total variable costs. Okay na? Now, this type of in the cost analysis, this is easier to use if we wanted to determine our profit. Because we just simply have to find for the value or total revenue. So when we say total revenue, that is our revenue when all the units produced are sold. So, or how much of the units that are produced are sold. So this is derived by multiplying price times. How do we derive total revenue? Okay, price times quantity. So that is our total revenue. So for us to determine profit, our total revenue minus, how do we determine profit? Total revenue minus our total cost. That is if our total revenue is greater than our total cost. So there is profit. But if our total revenue is less than our total cost, there is loss. Okay, there is loss. So it is easy to determine. If our total revenue is equal to total cost, that means there is break even. But in economics, when we say break even, that is considered as normal profit. Normal profit because in economics, we include the opportunity cost. And the opportunity cost was discussed a while ago. So that is the cost incurred for using what? These are the costs that supposedly be, or like if you have a piece of or a building and you use it for your business. So it can be used for business without rental, but you can make use of that building if you have it rented, but you are using it in your own business. So we have to use or we have to include our opportunity cost in economics. And like in accounting, it's only the explicit cost that they include. In economics, explicit cost plus implicit costs. So therefore, when we say break even, that is considered as normal profit. Unlike in accounting, when they say break even, ang ilang total cost is equal to their total revenue. That is called explicit cost. We also have what we call sunk costs. Sunk costs are costs that cannot be recovered. So companies should be very careful in terms of sunk costs, like having an advertisement and then it never prosper, because there are times na a company will have to advertise and it has no effect. So the company won't be able to recover its cost, and advertisement is costly. Okay, so again, it is easy to determine profit and loss using the total cost analysis. The